Forge hub, so let's wait a little bit. And guys, look at this, we have main. What's up guys, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review I will show you how I got Blox Fruits scripts for Roblox absolutely free, safe and long, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called twixin.com, then type in search Blox Fruits script and you will find the online tool. And now we must enter our Roblox username. So let me enter my quickly. Let me click continue and let's see the next step. Okay, user found, click connect. And now, do you have any executor? No. Important and newest? Yes. Select script that you want to add. Nice. Just click continue, guys, and let's wait a little bit. This is working perfectly on both Android and iOS devices, guys, and this is the best working method for Blox Fruits script. Make sure to subscribe to my channel to support this channel. Okay, just scroll down now and click verify now, and let's wait a little bit. And now guys, we're on the anti-bot verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download free games or apps or complete two simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here, click proceed, and it will start downloading from the official publisher of the app, or download it, complete the task. Below each task you have the description of what you have to do. So guys, I will download this, just play and swag back. So I'll be back after I complete these two tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task. I got this status completed. Success redirecting almost done. So let's wait for this redirecting, guys, and let's see the final step. Okay guys, injection successful. If you have this message, that's it. So let me open my Roblox and let's play Blox Fruits and let's see does it actually work. So let's see, guys. Okay guys, I'm now in the game and look at this. We have this panel and click on home button and look at this. All scripts are added successfully. Just click execute and let's wait a little bit for script. Okay, as you can see we have Forge Hub, so let's wait a little bit. And guys, look at this. We have main, we have stack farm. Look at this. This is working perfectly. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.